Thanks for joining us at Smart Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk to you about smart films and 8 things you should know before purchasing them. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe.
Haze. Smart glass and film go from clear to frosted with a flick of a switch, providing privacy on demand. However, when the glass is switched to clear, there can be slight haze. This cannot be avoided due to the presence of small droplets that reflects the light, although there are ways to minimize it. Smart glass and film contain a PDLC layer. When powered on, the crystals align and the glass becomes clear. When powered off, the crystals scatter the light and the glass appears to be frosted. These crystals are responsible for the slight haze that can be seen. Lighting conditions. Under normal lighting conditions, privacy glass displays optimum clarity. Artificial light or uneven lighting conditions adversely affect the appearance of smart glass and should be taken into consideration. With a high quality product, this haze will barely be noticeable. If this slight haze is a concern, we can make a recommendation on how to diminish it. Cost. Smart glass and film are definitely not as cheap as buying a standard set of curtains. Smart glass costs $80 to $100 per square foot and smart film costs $25 to $40 per square foot. You may see smart film being sold for less overseas, but it could be for a reason. When you're evaluating smart glass as an option for your windows, walls, or doors, it may help to consider its total value. Smart glass offer a lot more than privacy. Let's take a look. So the total value of all these features brought separately is $270 per square foot. High quality smart glass combines all these properties and costs 60% less. Smart film is designed for indoor use only. While our smart film is made with the best materials available, it still is an electric device and may become damaged if exposed to excessive moisture and should not be used outdoors. Privacy film can be used indoors in the moisture-prone areas and cleaned with a liquid so long as the edges of the film are covered with a silicone to prevent damage and water penetration. Bus bars. The bus bar area is the most delicate part of the film, as this is where the wires connect. If it's damaged, the film will no longer switch from clear to frosted. It will always be in the frosted states. So you should pay extra attention to this area and handle it with care. Smart film can be scratched. Like any plastic, smart film can be scratched by dogs, cats, or small children. If you are installing privacy film on a window or door that your pet or young children will constantly be in contact with, you will want to place a protective liner over the top of the film to protect it from scratches. Yellowing. Some smart films will slowly discolor as they expose to UV light and become yellowish. However, high quality window films will not yellow with the sun and will always look clear. Delamination. Low quality smart film can become delaminated. One factor that can lead to delamination is the peeling strength of the film. A high quality film will have a strong PDLC glue that keeps the layers of the film stuck together. Low quality films may have poor adhesiveness and peel apart even when in storage. So, there you have it. Now you know the truth about privacy film and glass. And if you have any questions about switchable glass technology or are still unsure whether it's the right product for you, please contact us or visit our website. And thank you for watching.